Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, this is my 2022 Cfmoto Zforce 950. What we're going to do today is install the new Kemimoto storage bags that go on the inside of the doors, right there. So I've already installed the passenger side door bag, so I'm going to show you how to install the other side. And it requires no tools. So on the back side there's 4 straps, 2 here and 2 longer ones here. So there's a left and right side. So this is the left side going on the driver's side. So how this is going to mount is you have 2 straps here. This is actually going to go around your handle here. So you're going to put these through the loop and back over, and there's Velcro. And then there's 2 straps on towards the back, 2 longer ones. What these are going to do, they're actually going to go through your hinge locations and then route back through the little clip here. And again, they're going to attach with Velcro. And you don't have to remove anything to install this. And the 2 front straps are installed, and once we're all done installing this, what you'll do is tighten these down so this is nice and snug when it's all together. So what we're going to do is install the bottom strap. The easiest way to do that is feed it through the hinge location. As you can see, it comes out the bottom. Pull it a little bit snug, put it through here just like that. And then you're going to snug it down, and again it has Velcro, and just like that. Now to mount the top, you're going to take the strap, you're going to feed it up through the bottom. It's going to come out right there. You can actually pull it and snug it in between the plastic here. You're going to pull it tight like that. I'm going to feed it through here, and you're going to snug down your Velcro just like that. So once it's installed on the door, what you're going to do is tighten everything down so it's fairly snug. There is going to be a little bit of movement on it, but you want it as snug as you can get it. So we have everything snugged down as tight as it's going to get. So one thing I like about this, it has a front storage pouch. Has a top one that opens. Again, they have nice heavy zippers on it, and you have a divider in here, and this is waterproof and dust proof, so it's nice. It just adds a little extra storage on the side-by-side. And again, my last video was installing the center storage, again all through Kemimoto. And there we go, we have both of them installed. And again, the last video was the center storage bag installation. Again, it's nice because when you install these, it requires no tools. Literally takes 30 seconds for each side. And as you can see, I have a soft Kemimoto upper enclosure for the doors, and I have a Kemimoto soundbar. So the quality of the products actually seems to be very good, and the fitment is pretty impressive for an aftermarket part. So the next video is actually going to be installing a 1.5 inch lift kit, hopefully in the next few weeks here. So make sure to hit that subscribe and thumbs up button. And like always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, I really appreciate you watching. Take care.